All right, guys, so we did a rear delete already on it, as you guys can see. And now we're gonna try the Jones Flowpacks first. Then we're gonna try the Black Widow. Then we're gonna try the, never fails. And it's upside down. The Carven. And then we're gonna try the Flowmaster Flow Effects and see which one she likes more. There's the Black Widow. There's the Flow Effects. There's the Carven. If you guys ever wonder what each one looks like inside, that's the Carven inside. That's the Flow Effects inside. That's the Black Widow inside. And there's the Jones on the inside. Okay, but we're gonna start with the Jones, so stay tuned. All right, so this is the Jones, guys. What do you think?
That sounds good.
Yes? No? Give it gas? So that's the Jones, guys. One more? Okay, take them off. Here's straight pipe, go ahead. See how raspy it is? What do you think of straight pipe? She kind of likes straight pipes too. Again? Okay. All right, guys. Next, we're gonna put some Flowmaster Flow Effects. What do you think of those?
I like it, but I like the first one better.
Okay. Okay. So as of right now, the Jones. So remember, Jones. So you don't like the Flow Effects. All right, now we're gonna do the Carven TRs. Like that too? So what do you think of this one? She likes the Carven, so now it's down to two, Jones or Carven. Again? Okay. Black Widow's cool, right? It's got a cool name. So now it's Black Widow. Race Venoms. Go ahead. What do you think of those?
I like that one.
So Black Widow?
I think that was my favorite, yeah.
Okay. Again? Okay. So we're going Jones or Black Widow? You want to hear the Jones again?
I think so.
Let her put the Jones, please. Here's the Jones again. Let's see her reaction. Go ahead. Go ahead. I think she likes the Black Widow.
Yeah.
I think you like the Black Widow.
I think so.
She likes the Black Widow. Again? 2021 Dodge Charger V6. Very nice car. She got custom LEDs in the front. Anyway, so we did a whole video on it for you guys. So let me show you the ending. So it's got factory converter there. It's got another factory converter there. Factory X pipe. It's the GTV6, okay? And we went ahead and did two Black Widow Widowmaker neighbor haters. Here's the part number. They love to have huge part numbers for no reason. They're 2.5 inch in, 2.5 inch out. And Black Widow, if you're watching, start making them in 2.25. It'll make it easier on us a little bit. Anyway, so we added sleeves on each side, 2.5, and reduced them to fit on the 2.25. And then the rest of it continues. Then we did a rear delete there and finished it off with some clean Natami tips, 4-inch clean Natami tips right there and right there. Came out really clean, really nice. This is the tips again, guys. And this is the part number on them. There'll be a link in the description for them also. Those stainless steel double wall tips. And then there's the mids that were on it. And there's the rears that were on it. We cut all that off, reduced the weight, and cleaned it up. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. This is after, guys. They're actually Black Widow neighbor haters. Oh, that's perfect. How do you feel? Again? You can tell she's happy. We love to put smiles. Here's idle. All right, go ahead, sound decibels. We dropped it to 102. That's perfect. Yeah. 106. It's not bad. That sounds clean. No rasp whatsoever. That's perfect. Yeah, good choice. She came in wanting like Dynamax race bullets, and then we did all these tests, and she went out with Black Widow. It's a clean red, too. I like it. She came all the way from Kentucky. We appreciate it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. It looks good. I like it. Black Widow Neighbor Haters. We made her day. We're glad too.